Now that we've applied finishes in dRofus using room data, we can now push that data into our Revit room properties to define a Revit finish schedule at a generic schematic design level. Once we log into the dRofus properties panel in Revit, we can see this office in Revit is linked to our room in dRofus. We can also see the schematic design data is being driven by our dRofus room template room data. In this example, the room template room data is defining the floor finish requirement to be carpet and the wall finish requirement to be painted. In the dRofus schematic design attribute configuration settings, we can see the room data will be pushed into the Revit room properties. To sync this data into Revit room properties, we simply need to sync the room with dRofus. Note that no room data has been pushed into the Revit room properties yet. Once I synchronize, that data will be populated. I simply need to go to the dRofus synchronization and synchronize this specific room that's been selected. Using the schematic design configuration, we can see that this room now has populated data coming from the dRofus room data.